Hi guys, this is Jessy Dejeto again from Jessy dejetoTV, and I'm here right now in my room after I was in the storm that had happened kanina, and it was so really bad that I'm planning to have a I'll try to capture a nice view, a tourist riding on a boat, but hindi natuloy yun. Kasi I was so surprised when I get out from my work. Nagkaroon pala ng malakas na, actually, natapos ata yung sandstorm eh. Kasi when I was out there, and I was in there na pala, sobrang lakas na ng hangin talaga. And nawala na yung storm, pero yung hangin sobrang lakas. So, I'm explaining to you right now na it was not the plan na isushow ko sana sa vlog na to, but unexpected things happen na ang lakas pala ng storm talaga sa labas. So I plan to continue that one para hindi na naman masayang pagpunta ko doon. So it was the worst video that I've got kasi sobrang mahangin talaga. So, please watch it till end and makikita nyo kung ano yung sinasabi kong hangin talaga na, alam mo yung first time kong nakaranas ng ganun kalakas na wind sa tagal ko dito sa Arab. So, watch out for it, and this is Jessy! So, keep on watching with that video till matapos niya. Thank you so much, my JDTV angels. See you always. Oh my God! I think this is a bad timing in doing, filming. It's so cold out here. Oh. Really a bad timing right now. Can you see the one? Sobrang lakas ng hangin at sobrang lamig. Tignan mo yung water ng pearl. I don't know where they going. Parang papunta sila dyan na side. See? Wala man lang katao-tao. Sobrang lamig. Ngayon. Tingnan nyo yung mga dates tree. Ay, thank you Lord. I saw someone na. There are 2 people. So we are 3 in here. Ay, salamat. 4, 5, 6. O, diba? Natakot ako bigla eh. Parang feeling ko ako. Kasi ang pangit guys. See? Sobrang lamig. Grabing hangin. tree. Papunta siya doon na side. Kasi doon nga ang hangin eh. Okay, it's really, really cold. Hi guys. I just wanted to say na ito yung this is really a bad timing. See? This is really actual video. We're in, kala mo kasi maganda yung ano ngayon, yung weather. Kasi kukuha sana ako ng with Jess and I'll do some film. Pero see what had happened. It was a bad day. Sobrang lamig, sobrang lakas ng hangin. And see? Walang mga tourists to ride on that boat. Kasi nga, nung nasa loob pa ako ng work, I thought it was really a fine day. That's why I told my driver to drop me here kasi I'll do some filming. Pero ito pala yung nangyayari, sobrang lamig. And I can do any shots because it's so cold. And see, you know, I don't know. I think all my entire organs here in my body is shaking. It's so cold. Sobrang lakas na hangin. And thanks for this mouth cloth for saving me up. See, tingnan you guys. I know you can hear the whistle of the wind, you know. See? I'm really shaking. Guys, I'm not joking. It's so cold. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. See, there's no one. There's no one na magbabike or doing some joggings. Oh, this is my first time na ganito kalamig. Grabe ang hangin. Parang galit. As in. Oh my God. Oh. I can use my right hand and hear my back. I can't use it because the wind is so. This is for the sake of vlog, guys. Bis buhay ata to. I'm really not joking. Grabe, as in, sabi nga nila, may storm daw ngayon. So, eto na siguro yun. Eto na nga siguro yung storm. So, I'm still here. I don't know if I'm doing some newscast or what. Nagbubis buhay ako dito. Just to, you know, I want all my angels to see what's happening here in Doha right now. This is really the real storm. And my God, it's so cold. I can't really do some vlogs, some shots. All already dying. All already. Oh. Talaga matuloy lahat. See? Because it's so cold and so mahangin. So mahangin. Not everyone. Did you see that one? That two boys are watching on me. Maybe because they're thinking, I'm so crazy why I'm here. It's storming now. It's so cold. Come on, act me here. Come on, act me here. I need your act, guys. Wow, this is really is it. Did you see the one, guys? All the leaves. sandstorm, but I think this is not sandstorm. I didn't feel it then. This is really a storm. It's so cold, my back part. Really. There are still lovebirds out there. Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm going to end this up. This video, this, filming, because we have nothing to do with this. It's so cold and I can do something. I can do some good filming. Because wow, this is really a real storm. So I end this up and cut it off.